Yo guys, what's up to this video? This video is gonna be special, and I've gathered my friends to be in this video to do some challenges. So let's hop straight into it. We're gonna hop right straight into this video, and we're gonna be playing Dog Pound and do some challenges. So let's I'm gonna invite you too. I'm gonna invite you. Okay. We're in the game. So we're gonna try. It depends if the dog. Yo, hold on. Okay, so it seems like you can join. So I'm gonna invite my friends. Yeah. Um, 5. Oh wait. Wait. Let's come here. Come on. Let's I'm pretty sure you can hear me, Blitz. Anyway, magnetize him. We're on the game right now. Oh wait, Blitz, where are you? We need to do the first challenge. Blitz, where are you, Blitz? Blitz, yo, Blitz, please, Blitz, where are you, Blitz? Okay, I'm right here. Where are you? Blitz, where are you, Blitz? Blitz, please join call. Yo, where the frick is... Where's Blitz? Blitz, where are you? Oh, I'm back.
Where are you, my friend?
Yo, Blitz, come here. Okay, Blitz is here. Blitz, where are you, Blitz? Blitz, where are you? Blitz, where are you? I swear to God, I'm gonna murder you. Blitz, where are you? Blitz, where are you, Blitz? Blitz. Oh, Blitz. Yeah, okay, Blitz, follow me, Blitz. So I'm on PC. Come here, Blitz, come here. Oh, okay, you shift lock, and then you bite. It takes a few tries. It takes a few tries. Look, look, I'm a mastermind. Look, like that. Oh, I'm zooming all the way. Zoom in all the way. You're mobile. Zoom in all the way. Okay, first challenge is done. Our second challenge is kill 5 guards. So first thing I need to do is I need to become a stray dog, and I need to go back. Wait. Blitz, like, what you do is, like, you zoom in, you zoom in all the way, and then, like, and then you bite. And then it just flings yourself out. The challenge was to fling yourself out, or just get yourself out. Yo, where are you? Where are you? Yo, Blitz, are you gonna talk in call or not? Oh. Hey, Blitz, where are you? Yo, Blitz, what? Yo, Blitz, follow me, Blitz. Look. Okay, now that I got armor, Twin, look, bro. I'm a juggernaut, bro. Twin, yo, well, I'm finna block you, bro. Twin, right? Hello, watch this. I get a shotgun, a shock. Look, right, look, bro, I get a shotgun. I know, and I totally didn't pay Robux for it. I totally didn't spend 500 Robux on this game. Wait, I'm trying to get out, bro. Chillax, bro. We need to do this second challenge, but. Hey, guard, pretty, please release us. Frick it out. Guard, please release us, guard. Please release us. Freak, help me. You need that. Yo, help me. Help me. Oh. I'm gonna. Go kick that boy. Watch my stream. Yeah, you can look where I am now. Go kick him, go kick this dude, go kick him. Yo, go kick this dude up. Go kick this dude. Now I'm killing this dude. I'm grabbing my revenge. Let's voice reveal. Oh yeah, guys, please like and subscribe to me and Blitz. You can check out his channel. It's gonna be featured on my channel to check. I'm escaping. Hold up. Should I bite? frick it. Twin. Oh yeah, I escaped. Yeah, you pay. Yeah, I totally didn't pay to win. Ooh. Oh, come here. Oh, open the door. Open the door. No, Blitz. Blitz. Can you hear me, Blitz? Blitz. Just talk in chat. Well, why don't you be that way? So open this. Open this door. Open the door. Thank you. Ooh. Like a SWAT. Ooh. I got shift lock. Woo! Okay, that's one kill. That's one kill. Let's go. Oh. Okay. That's 3 kills. Yo, that's 3 kills, Shad. That's 3 kills. That's 3 kills. Ooh. You miss. Frick you. Pull up. I'm killing her every single time. I'm spawn killing. Pull up.
I love you. Will you be my friend?
Low kicker. Yo. Yo, some guard help me.
Okay.
You just leaked your voice, by the way. I need to kill 2 more guards and then
I got to go eat.
yeah, I gotta kill 2 more guards. Like me or you gotta kill 2 more guards, and then our next job is the hardest one. Yeah, it's not really hard.
I need
Last one is gonna
go
be
eat,
our last one is gonna be that we are supposed to muzzle every bad dog. Yo, wait, hold up. Yo, wait, hold up. Did you leave call? So yo, I'm like this. I might make this video 40 minutes long. I'll not gonna lie.
I love spending time with you.
29 cat. I'm not even capping, bro. Dad, we need one more kill. We need one more kill. We need one more kill. Shout. Hey. Oh, for frickin'. I'm gonna. Frick. Yo! Go kick! Yo, do not shout out to this girl. If this is a YouTube channel, unsubscribe to her killer whole family. And tell her to go.
Took every chance hoping it'd be you. Fills me with joy when I watch you do your wrong. Admire you and the fever you always bring.
Against the odds, we always roll the dice. Flip the coin, we love paying the price. That's a gamble, all is that
Stop! Yo, stop! Yo, I'm gonna murder you. Unsubscribe to him and unsubscribe to every single one. So do that, do that, do that. I don't even think if Blitz is still in the games. Gotta kill one more guard. Gotta kill one more guard. We gotta kill one more guard.
Just missed the train due tomorrow that I seek.
Hold on, I think we did this challenge. We killed a lot of guards. Frick, I have to. Oh my god. Guys, we did the challenge. It was pretty horrible. The video was pretty horrible. But remember to like and subscribe and comment for more videos. And check out Blitz's channel. Okay? Peace. Clock Lash out.